What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Spider-Man Big Time Suit. So this is kind of a cool, slick black. I've seen it called stealth suit as well. So let's give this a go. Okay, so we'll start with his eyes. Typical Spider-Man eye shape, right? So starting here, head will be in the top half. Use a pencil eraser, sketch it out lightly. Hit pause if I go too fast. So curving. Okay. Comes to a spike. And then comes down. Typical Spider-Man eye shape. And it's just one line, basically. Okay. Do the same thing on the other side. They're real close. Mirror image. Right. And then if you want, like, it has some like folding sort of eyebrow lines on it here. It's like bumps, just sort of textures and things. Nothing major. And then maybe like lines there. So your chin will be about here, okay? And you want the head, so the head will be like, the eyes are normally like below halfway down. So the head is like, will be up here somewhere. So like your halfway point will be like here, and the eyes start a little bit lower down than that. Okay, so the jaw goes up that way. See? And then we will bring this around, and it's real smooth, just round, stealth, black head. Kind of looks like a balloon, the shape. Of course, if you're more comfortable drawing the head first and then doing the eyes, go for that as well. Okay, so neck. Down this way. Okay, collarbone. Well, trapezius muscle, not collarbone. Down that way. Shoulder. It's a big shoulder pad, so it kind of comes out real round. Like that. And a male shoulder is about the width of the head. So you want like this to be like 3 heads. 2, 3. Okay. So width of his head comes out to the edge of the shoulder. Roughly speaking, depends on the character. Depends on how muscular he is anyway. Yeah, and then the arm comes down that way and the arm goes down that way. Okay. So like his chest, say, way. So we'll go. Try and roughly get his anatomy in. So we go to like, center line for his chest to be like there. And then the chest muscle comes underneath. But you can't see it because he's got all this green stuff. But we'll go. Let's see. Very difficult. So chest muscle should be here. Chest muscle should be like there. Okay. And then, yeah, we'll just get this green thing in. So it's got like a spiking thing here. And like an armpit, and then like his bicep or side of his body here. Basically. And then this has another spike here underneath. Comes down. And this basically sort of wraps around his body here. It's got like a V underneath. Down this way. And then another. Right, so then like you should see center of his chest probably going up here into the middle. And then like collarbone or top of his chest muscle here. Right, and then there's like some extra green legs that come out across the shoulder. That way, and then these ones go down his arm. And then there's like, so like abdominal muscles there. And then shoulder pads up here, right? So he's got like biker sort of shoulder pads or skater kind of things. They look like knee pads, but just like on his shoulder. There. And then he seems to have like these fabric lines that run down. They're like leather zipper type things, ridges. And some come down his shoulder as well. There. Just two lines kind of. And then there's one in the middle. You might have some like neck muscle lines drawn in there. And this is all like glowing green, and I think that's it. Is there any more? Maybe this on his chest, there's like a line. Run up the middle. I think it's like a zipper. It actually goes right up the middle here. Put a little extra edge line on this one. Right, but I think that's it. Big time suit, Spider-Man. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.